Is Grok AI now free? That is the question.
You're still using AI like a beginner. Let me show you real power.
You don't have to pay this amount to use Grok AI. This video you just watched now, I generated it now like as I was about to create this video. So I want to show you in this video how you can get access to Grok AI without having to break the bank. Guys, are you interested? Go ahead, like this video so that YouTube can push it to more people, and don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section of this video. Importantly, don't fail to subscribe and turn on the post notification of this channel so you don't miss any updates. Now, the question now is Grok still free? So let me quickly say this. Grok is a very powerful AI tool that enables you to create quality videos and images. If you are in the content creation needs, that is the faceless channel, the storytelling channel, you can testify that Grok is, as of today, Grok is the best AI tool ever. Why people are really scared that Grok is no more free is because Grok is the best. So I want to show you how you can access Grok, still use Grok to create your content, your videos, your images, unlimited without having to struggle. If you skip this video, you will still feel like it is not possible. But if you watch this video to the end, you will see that it is possible. Now do this one thing for me. Before we proceed, the question is, do you have X account? Like X account, like formerly known as Twitter. Do you have the account? If you have the account, good news for you. But if you don't have the account, I still have good news for you. You are going to start using that account today after watching this video. Because if you have an X account, formerly known as Twitter, you can use Grok just by doing a few things, just by doing a few settings, and you are good to go. And then if you don't have an account on X, the best time for you to go and subscribe to X, open an account, sign up, have an account on X is now. When you have X account, you are not going to pay the original cost of Grok AI before you can use Grok. Yes. So what I want you to do is that create an X account, become a premium user. What does it mean to become a premium user? Subscribe to their premium packages. Like you can see on the screen, we have different tiers, and you know the one that is suitable for you. Don't go for the basic. The basic will not give you access to Grok. Go for premium, because a lot of people are saying that subscribe but they cannot still use Grok. It's because you went for basic. The basic one will not give you access to Grok. So any of these two will give you access to Grok. Now you can see the Grok, the Premium Plus gives you access to the Super Grok, while the normal Premium gives you access to Grok entirely. So meaning that if you can access this Premium, which is they are already running on a discount, okay? They are running on a discount. So jump on it and grab this opportunity. 1 month of subscription can carry you to create hundreds of videos. So you don't want to miss this opportunity. Now, let me show you what next to do when you get this account.
There is no 3 days trial anymore on Grok. You cannot, there is no more. Like you can see the Grok interface. You cannot see, there is no more 3 days trial. All what you see is upgrade. And once you click the upgrade, it's going to show you $30 US per month, right? Account that how you can go about it. Do you understand? So please follow these steps gradually and don't forward this video. So the moment you click and open, let's say you've finished, signing up to X account, all right? The next thing you're going to do here is you're going to see where you say get verified. It's not even 3 again, is 2. Now look at it. Are you seeing this? The first one, this is what I'm paying. I'm paying 7,600. I mean, me currently, I'm paying 7,600. So they have slashed the price and they made it 3,800 per month. That is for African content creators on X. But if you are in the other part of the country, you convert this. Of course, when you open it, you see it in your own currency depending on your location. So the prices varies depending on your location. And this is Premium Plus. This one gives you access to Super Grok. Look at it here. Super Grok. This one gives you access, it enhanced Grok access. Open it, and if it is internet like net like this, you're going to open grok.com. Once you open grok.com, you are going to see connect your X account. All right, so this is the part many people are skipping because you are not you are not using X. That's why I say you must have an X account, and it must be a premium account. Let's sign in. Log in with X account. Okay, so you go ahead and log in. Awesome. So you wait for this particular interface, you authorize, redirecting you. Perfect. So this is the simplest way you can link your X account to your Grok app. Whether you're using a PC or you're using your phone, please use the same process. All right, so quickly come here and switch to imaging. We want to start creating. Remember, okay, so now I don't want to create image because he was saying that he could create image. Let's create just video. All right, so where do we get our prompts? Go to, you can still use Grok for prompt, but I don't want to use Grok for prompt. Let me look for an existing prompt that I have here, and let's create something. So let's pick this is the main scene, right? Let's pick this main scene and head over to Grok. Okay, we're going to paste it here. So let's actually see if it's working. Remember to change these things, you can change them. Okay, change them to maybe landscape, portraits, and so forth. So let's go ahead and send it. Now look at it. That interface that showed that I should pay $30 is not showing again. It has actually gone through, like it has gone through. So basically this is the way you can use Grok to start creating your images, your videos for your next content. So if you are a content creator and you're looking for a way you can subscribe with the minimal amount, I will encourage you, grab Grok.